Hello everyone, a warm welcome to my course on YOLO. YOLO stands for You Only Look Once. It's basically an algorithm for detecting object in a video in real time. So this is very useful when you are designing applications like self-driving car, where a car is driving itself, and as the car drives, it needs to know its ambience, it needs to know are there any pedestrians around the car, are there any other vehicle around the car, and depending on it needs to maneuver, right? So we need to teach machine, a computer in this case, to learn detecting object in real time. And real time is very important here because when the car is driving at a speed like 60 miles per hour, it's very important for a car to detect the objects at a very low latency, and we will learn about those numbers in as we go, but the real-time detection is extremely important. Another application that I can think of is Amazon X-ray, where as you are watching a film on Amazon Prime Video, you can actually pause video and look at the actors, or what are the scene, who are the actors in a specific scene, and more information about these objects. So it's basically detecting the celebrities in the video in real time. So it's a very useful algorithm in YOLO. We will take a look at a video before YOLO and after YOLO. So let's look at a video that we are going to apply YOLO algorithm. So this is the video, right, where you have a traffic, basically a video where you see a bunch of people driving using Segway, cars are moving, you can see traffic lights and signals on the other side, right? So let's see how can we detect this objects in this video using YOLO. So once you apply a YOLO, the video would look like this. So here is a video of real-time object detection. So this is a video of a few people rolling away in the Segway. So as you can see how it's detecting persons, objects like cars, traffic lights, traffic signals, stop signs, and it is doing in a real time as the people are moving across, right? So this is what we can achieve by using a YOLO algorithm. So as you can see, as the people are moving, the bounding boxes are changing, and it's exactly able to predict multiple humans, multiple cars, as bicycle is moving, car is coming, even the stationary object. So it's able to do this real-time object detection pretty nicely, and that's why YOLO serves really useful mechanism in self-driving cars, right? Because this is what car needs to do if they have to detect pedestrians or other cars on the street as the car drives, and accordingly maneuver the traffic.